We recently put out a video that featured 8 tips to help you take photos that people like more. Today we're going to dive a little deeper into one of those tips.
Single hue dominance, like its name implies, focuses on a single dominant hue in an image. According to psychologists, people are more attracted to images that focus heavily on one hue.
You can easily achieve this by planning your wardrobe and backdrop ahead of time, or you can manipulate your hues in post. Either way, the end result should help you create images that stop viewers in their tracks.
We started by cutting out a sample from each of our backdrops so that we could bring each swatch to the store to perfectly match our wardrobe.
From Alpha to Omega, VHS to Beta, PlayStation to Sega, my skill is still greater. The sickest thing since BD, wicked like VG. Live my life crooked like the left finger on ET. Please believe me, this be the realest thing I ever wrote. Right after talking to Pop, puffing on heavy smoke. Laugh now, cry later.
We had a hard time finding outfits for each of our backdrops, so instead we bought a few outfits in colors we liked.
Show love, not haters. I'm switching over like crossfaders to a better time and place where it's safe and they can't judge you by the color of his.
We then headed to Sammy's camera to pick up some new backdrops that would match the wardrobe we just bought.
White boys in old navy sweaters, ball cap low on my eye, cause sometimes I'm listening to my style so much, I'm just trying to get by, I'm just saying. For real, I'm just saying. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to welcome you all out to a musical extravaganza called the Nite Project.
By now, we're sure you've heard about Squarespace, and for a good reason.
Not only have they been supporting our channel for a long time, we've been happy customers of theirs for years. They make it incredibly simple to get a blog, portfolio, or online store up and running in no time with their beautiful designer templates.
If you run into any problems along the way, they have terrific 24/7 customer support to help you out. And you don't have to worry about updating and installing things because it's an all-in-one platform.
To find out how easy it is to set up your own website and save 10%, head to squarespace.com/mangostreet and use the code MangoStreet at checkout.
No matter what you shoot, it'll look great on Squarespace.
Through the fields of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer. Meadows of our youth, 107 days, but we're calling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer. Ooh, we can see so clear. Ooh, we can see so clear. Shades of gray, living day to day.
If you look at these 3 photos, you can see they all have a dominant blue hue, obtained mostly from editing. This is a good way to create a consistent Instagram theme, maximize your single hue dominance, and create a more consistent overall body of work. Let's take a quick look at how you'd accomplish this.
First, we adjusted the white balance to be a little on the cooler side. Then we added some color to split toning. Just hold Option while adjusting your hue slider in your highlights section to find your desired hue. Then turn the saturation up to your liking. Do the same thing with the shadows section.
You can also adjust your hue, saturation, and luminance to tone down unwanted hues in your image and enhance the ones you want to highlight.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope this provides some inspiration for your next shoot. And if you use these tips, use the hashtag MangoStreetHues when posting so we can take a look. We'll see you next time.
Bye.